Hi friends, welcome to www.learningmoment.blogspot.com. And in the last two videos we have seen the problems regarding the ratios. Now let us look at the part 3. That is, this part is very important. This type of problem is only asking in the many sort of competitive examinations. So please focus on this part to score very easily. And I will give you number of tips to do these problems. Okay, come back to the question. Consider the question as it is 35 liters of mixture of milk and water is divided in the ratio of 4:1. Okay, after dividing it in the 4:1 ratio, if we add the 7 liter of water to that mixture, what is the resultant mixture ratio? We have to find that thing. That is, after adding the 7 liters of water to that mixture, we will get this some quantity of both water and the milk, and from that liters we have to find the ratio of the resultant mixture. Okay, let us do this problem. It is considered, take the question, from the question take it as 35 liters of milk and water. That is 35 liters of milk and water, this liters, is divided in the ratio of 4:1. That is 4 ratio is milk and 1 ratio is water. And in the question he given that if 7 liters of water is added to the mixture, okay, we have to add the 7 liters of, it is liters, okay, it is ratio, it is liters, 7 liters of if 7 liters of water is added, we are going to add the 7 liters of water to the given mixture, and nothing is going to add for the milk. It is 0. After adding this mixture, this amount of water, we are going to get some amount of water and some amount of milk, and we have to find the resultant ratio. How we can convert this ratio into liters means, already we know that terminology, that is shares. Okay, consider the same share terminology. We given that 35 liters is divided into the ratio of 4:1. 35 liters of mixture of milk and water is divided in the ratio of 4 ratio is milk and 1 ratio is water. And we have to find the, initially consider we have to find the mixture for the milk. Okay, how we can find this? Sum of this thing equal to sum of this thing. It is sum of this mixture equal, sum of this ratio equal to sum of this amount of water. Okay, so from that we can get 5 shares is equals to 35, and we want the milk, it is 4 shares, that is milk is 4 shares, we have to find. Right, how we can find? Take numerator and denominator and multiply with this, and we can get the solution is 28 liters. 28 liters is nothing but the milk, so we can take it as a 28 liters. It is 4 shares is 28 liters. If it is 28 means remaining is nothing but the water, that is, it is 7 liters. Remaining is 7 liters. If you sum up these two things, we are going to get it as a 35 liters. That is 25 liters is milk, 27 liters is water. Okay, come back to the question. That is, he given that 7 liters of water is added to the mixture. Now we can add this 7 liters because both the things are in the same units. That is, it is also liters and it is also liters. Now we can add the two things. We'll get the solution as, we'll get the final liters. 14 liters is now water, and here we are nothing going to add, so it is 28 liters. what our requirement? We have to find the ratio in resultant mixture. How we can find the ratio and the resultant mixture? How, in the sense, milk is to water, that is, in the final we get two these things, 28 is to 14, that is nothing but 2 is to 1. Initially we had 4 is to 1. Now we get the, after adding this amount of water, it is decreased into 2 is to 1. Okay, how it is decreased means, initially it had 20 liters, it is large sum, it is 7 liters, so little. Here it is 28, it is 14, it is half of this, so we get it as a this thing. So by this process we can get the solution for this sort of questions. Don't consider it is a big process. If you practice it for the 2 or more problems in any sort of active books, you can do it within a minute. In the sense, you can do it seconds also if you have a good practice. So thank you for watching this video. For more videos, catch me at www.learninmoment.blogspot.com.